We use a vacuum tube. We need large space. We need air condition AC. We take input from punch card. We use operating system like a batch operating system. We use a machine language in first generation computer. Second generation computer, it was developed in 1959 to 1965. During this era, it was based on transistor. Transistor is a semiconductor device which is made. We use maximum unguided media because it plays a major role in communication. बहुत basic topic. So, according to advocate and middle, sorry, Kasak and come fast. Operating system manages all the resources. Operating system provides a platform in such a way that all the software and hardware compatible in front of you. Operating system is classified into following types: single tasking operating system, multi-tasking operating system, single user operating system, multi-user operating system. Operating system is further classified into two types: CUI based, command user interface, and second is GUI. Now,